Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In this video we'll go through a simple and easy way to plant water lilies in pond baskets ready to go into your pond. Water lilies are such a fantastic plant to add to your garden pond, with kits readily available from places like B&M. I've recently picked up this trio kit for just £10 for B&M, but this guide would work for any water lily kits, as well as if you have already bought the materials and plants separately. This full kit comes with 3 different types of water lilies, planting medium and plants. With the kit unboxed, you can see we have our aquatic planting pot, a bag of the pea shingle rock. Behind that we have our water lily tubers, and as you can see we already have a sign of lily pads showing. It is important that the tubers are never left to dry out, as they are pond plants and can quickly die if left to do so. And last here we have our aquatic soil. Of course, it's very important not to use regular soil or compost, as it can ruin your pond water quality. Next step I will do is to check the tubers for viability and signs of growth, and as you can see all of these have growth points showing. The sphagnum moss is there just to keep the tubers moist for transport, and we can now discard this. Next we fill our aquatic plant basket with aquatic soil. You can see the basket is perforated to allow easy passage of water. You should look to fill the basket to 2/3 full and press in firmly to take out any air pockets. The next step we will do is to take our tubers and place them on top of the soil with the growing tips facing upwards. For this size of basket you could probably get away with just 1 tuber, but for this demonstration I'll be using all 3 in the one basket. Now typically with this I may need to repot this in the new year, but once again this will get them growing for this year, and we'll probably move them to their each individual baskets the following year. Next, we've added more of the aquatic soil, just enough to cover the base of the tubers. Following, we'll add the pea and shingle rock on top. This will stop the soil from floating out of the basket and keep the water nice and clear. As you can see here now, with the pea and shingle rock on top, this does keep it nice and firm in and allows for things like fish not to be going into the gravel or into the soil and disturbing it while the water lilies are starting to root. This is now ready to plant into your pond. When it comes to first submerging your planter, place in the water slowly to avoid the tubers and soil coming out. Plant in a sunny spot, avoiding too much water flow. Generally, for water lilies, we want to plant at a depth of approximately 18 to 24 inches, which helps for winter protection. This will be in a zone 4. Now planted, it should quickly throw up new lily pads, and there is a good chance it can flower within the first year, although it may take up to a year to establish. You are now ready to plant more lilies, and hopefully this video has been helpful in giving you an easy way to get your lilies planted in your pond in pond baskets. If you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, they'll be in the comment section below. And of course, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.